5.
5. Okay. Now we will repeat the same process, but this time we will multiplying with 1, like 1 times 5 and then 1 times 2, like this. But the catch is we will leave this part. This part we will just put a cross and then start. So now 5 times 1, how much is it?
5.
5. 2 times 1?
2.
2. Okay. Now the last part is we will just add it. So 0, 0, 1, carry over 3. So the answer is 300. Understood? Let's
Yeah.
do again. So imagine we have 23 multiplied by 11. Oh no, not 11. Let's do with 13. Okay. So same process. First, this 3 will be multiplied with 3 itself and 2. 9. Yes. 2 times 3? 6. Okay. Now what did I say? We will repeat the same cross now with this number. 1 times 3 and 1 times 2. 1 times 3 would be,
3.
why are you writing it below? Just write beside the 3,
Oh,
beside the cross.
wait, I will it.
Yes. 3. Yes. 2 times 1,
2.
2. Now the catch is we have to plus it. Do the addition. 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 How are you doing the addition?
Oh, um,
Oh, no, no, no. Listen, listen, listen. Just normal addition. Okay, see. If you are facing difficulty with the cross, if you are confusing it with a multiplication sign, we can put a 0 over there. Hold on. We can just put a 0. And we will do the same over here as well. Instead of the cross sign, we can just put a 0. Put a 0. Yes, now do the addition. 9 plus 0 would be
9.
9. Yes. 6 plus 3, 9. Yes. Then 2.
2 plus what?
There is nothing. It means there is must be 0. Yes, that is it. Very good. Okay. Understood how to do? Let's do more. Let's do 63 times 24. Do with this number. Yes. Now 2 times 3. We will multiply 2 with 3 ones and again 2 ones. Yes. 2 times 6. 12. Very good. Okay. Now do the addition.
So do I just plus these numbers?
Yes. You just have to plus these numbers.
Wait, so like, can I place 0 here and then do the rest? Or like,
Why will you place the 0 over there? So 2 plus 0, how much is it?
2?
2. 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6 would be
11.
11. Write the 1 over there and the carryover would be Over here or on the head of 2 above here. You didn't write the numbers properly.
Okay.
So 2 plus 2 would be 4. Plus 1 would be plus 1. We also have this carry over here.
So that means it'll be 5.
That would be 5. Okay, instead of overwriting, just erase it and write it again. Yes, write the 5. Yes, now nothing is there to be added with 1, so we will just put a 0 and we will do addition. Yes, very good. See, now you understood. Okay,
Okay.
let's do one more. What is that? Sign of a tiger?
No, it's because like you have to do it diagonally. That's why. Because I don't want to do it frontly. That's why.
Yes, we are doing the multiplication diagonally itself. Like we are not writing this 6 exactly below the 2, right? First we are putting a 0 and then we are doing it.
Yeah.
Okay, check this example. This one, see, I left this place, right? I put a cross or a 0, so that is diagonally. See, this is diagonal, this is
Oh
diagonal.
yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yes. Do this one. Four times 9, 30, 35. Sure. How is it? How much is 4 times 9?
36.
Yes. Yes. Give enough space between the digits. Yes. 3 times 2, 3 times 2,
Oh,
3 times 2. Yes. Now 3 times 9, 27. Yes. Yes. Do it. 8 plus
wait.
0 would be
And, and then 6.
6 plus 6 would be
Um. 12.
yes. Carry over 1. Yes. Let's see. Do it. Do it.
Wait, but then he said I was going diagonally. Like it was like
We
a
will do the multiplication diagonally, but the addition it would be just like the normal addition.
okay.
3. Very good. See, now you did it. Okay. Let's practice few more and then I will provide you a worksheet. How 78? Hold on, hold on, hold on. How 78?
Oh,
How much is 3 times 2?
6.
And what about this one?
8,
It would be added. So how much it would be?
84.
Yes. Write the 8. Yes. Okay. Give enough space and write. Why your 0 is getting out of the match? It's totally out of the field. Write the 0 properly. Just below the 4. Yes. Okay. Now 1 times 8. 8. 2 times 1. Yes.